Before starting this video, if you haven't watched the previous part of this topic, Tvantavya, then you must watch that video first so that you can understand this Avya topic completely. In the last video, we learned Tvantavya. Now let's start Lyabanta Avya, which is the second type of Purvakalvachak Avyay. Construction of Labhyanta Avyay. उपसर्ग प्लस मूल धातु प्लस य और त्य. Upasarga means prefix. In Sanskrit, there are various upasarga like a, an, anu, pra, para, vi, vira, rama, and many more. Let's learn Labhyanta Avyay. Pravishati, pravishya. Upavishati, upavishya. Vismarati, vismrutya. Pranamati, pranamya. Prapnoti, prapya. Let's learn with an example. Ramaha vargam pravishati, Ramaha asane upavishati. These are two sentences, but subject means karta is same, so the prior action will be denoted by labhyanta. So the two sentences will be joined as Ramaha vargam pravishya asane upavishati. Let's see some more example. Open page number 7 of your textbook. Advait vruksham arohati, climbs on a tree, upavishyati cha, and sits. Advait vruksham aruhya upavishyati. Aruhya is the Labhyanta Avyay. Climbing on a tree, Advait sits on it. Second example, Vruddha, an old lady, Devam prarthayate, prays to God, Nidram karoti cha, and sleeps. Vruddha Devam prarthya, Nidram karoti. Having prayed to God, the old lady sleeps. Hope you understand Purvakalvachak Labhyanta Avyay. Now turn the page. Shubhada apanam gacchati, dhanam dadati, pustakam anayati, patati cha. In this sentence, there is only one doer of all the action, and patati is the last action or verb, so all the prior action will be denoted by Tvanta or Labhyanta Avyay. So, new sentence will be Shubhada apanam gatva dhanam dattva pustakam aniya patati. In this sentence, gatva and dattva is Tvanta Avyay and aniya is Labhyanta Avyay. Vakyani niriksha bhedam avagachat. Observe the sentences and note the difference. First, sadavaha falani dattva nirgachanti. Sadavaha falani pradaya nirgachanti. Having given the fruits, the good people leave. Second, Vruddha devam natva karyam arabhate. Vruddha devam pranamya karyam arabhate. The old woman starts her work after having saluted the god. Third, Arakshakaha choram tadayitva karagruham nayanti. Arakshakaha choram santadya karagruham nayanti. Having beaten the thief, the policemen take him to jail. Fourth, Dhanam rutva chauraha palaitaha. Dhanam apahritya Chaurah Palaitah. Having stolen the money, the thief ran away. Now listen carefully. The meaning of the sentences on the both side of the arrows is similar. In the sentences on the left side, the Twant avyas such as Datva, Natva, Tadayitva and Rutva are used. In the sentence on the right side, Labhyanta avyas such as Pradaya, Pranamya, Santadya and Aparutya are used. From this, we know that Twanta avyas are formed from the roots without prefix and Labhyanta avyas are formed from the roots with prefix. Now open page number 23. In the first column, there are verb roots are given and in third column, there Labhyanta avyas are given. Da Pradaya, Pa Nipiya, Stha Utthaya, Jna Vidnyaya, Gai Pragaya, Dhai Anudhyaya, Ji Vijitya. In this way, you can learn the rest of the Labhyanta avyay. Now, we are going to learn second type of Dhatu Sadit avyay, Hetvartak, infinity of purpose. There is only one type of this avyay, Tumanta avyay. The purpose means hetu or motive of an action is shown by the use of Tumanta avyay. For example, Ramaha patitum shalam gacchati. The underlined word is Tumanta avyay and shows the purpose of action. Construction of Tumanta avyay. Mool dhatu plus tum or itum. Let's see some examples. Patha plus itum, pathitum. Likha plus itum, likhitum. Kru plus tum, kartum. Khada plus itum, khaditum. Let's see some more example. Open page number 9 of your textbook. Kim kartum. To do what? Yuvakaha chitrapat gruham gacchati chitrapatam pashyati cha. A young man goes to the theatre and watches the movie. Yuvakaha kimartham chitrapat gruham gacchati. Why does the young man go to the theatre? Yuvakaha chitrapatam drashtum chitrapat gruham gacchati. The young man goes to the theatre to watch a movie. Balakaha gruham agachan jalam cha apiban. Boys came home and drank water. Balakaha kimartham gruham agachan. Why did the boys come home? Balakaha jalam patum gruham agachan. The boys came home to drink water. Hope you understand Tumant avyay. Let's see some more examples. Chhatrau pustakalayam agacchatam. Kimartham. Two students went to the library for what? Chhatrau pathitum pustakalayam agacchatam. Two students went to library to read. Megha fenakam svikaroti. Kimartham. Megha takes a soap for what? Megha vastrani prakshalayetum fenakam svikaroti. Megha takes soap for washing clothes. Drashtum patum patitum prakshalayitum ittitani hetvartak tumanta avyani. Drashtum patum patitum prakshalayitum are called hetvartak tumanta avyay, infinitives showing the purpose. Pathat avagachatcha, read and learn. First, shunakaha khaditum icchanti. Dogs wish to eat. Aham vaktum aicham. I wanted to speak. भारवाहकाः भारम् ओढुं शक्नोति. A coolie can carry a load. ताः नार्यः रुचिरं पक्तुं शक्नुवन्ति. Those women can cook well. जनाः भोजनं कर्तुम् आरभन्त. People started to eat. खादितुं वक्तुं ओढुं पक्तुं कर्तुं. These are हेत्वर्थक तुमन्त अव्यानि. Now open page number 23. See, in first column verb roots are given and in the fourth column there tumanta avyay are given. Tumun means tumanta avyay. Da datum, pa patum, stha sthatum, ज्ञा ज्ञातुम, गई गातुम, धई dhyatum. In this way you can learn the rest of the tumanta avyay.